Arrived in Southampton. It's nice and sunny. Just trying to find a way in. If we go towards the water, that's usually the right way. Welcome to the Southampton Boat Show. Let's go see what's about. Which way are we going? That way. Executive decision. Huge. 600 V12. Wow. This is the official press release for the ultimate boat. I must say, very, very impressed. Very, very impressed. And apparently we were able to go for a ride on it a little bit later, so we'll look forward to that. Wow. That is unreal. No, it doesn't. It just, he's going around the corners at full throttle, it doesn't even move. It just grip. It's unbelievable. What a machine.
life solution. That new was and sustainable and serves end of life solution. So they were made from, let's say, biofibers or bio-epoxies. But the trick is to get, let's say, the fibers and the resins. Like if you throw away your garbage at home, you have your tin cans, you do it in here, and your paper you do it there, and your other stuff you bring.
Bounce, Daniel, bounce. Thank you very much to Mindworks Marketing for inviting us down to the boat show. Absolutely fantastic day. It was great to be a part of the release of the X-Class by Ultimate Boats and Suzuki. And yeah, if you want more information on the boat, please visit our website, link below. There will be a blog post up about it in the next couple of days. And for now, that is the end of the video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're not already, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.